Hello, today I'm in Kia Soul. In this video I'll show you how to adjust side mirror's position. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side from the steering wheel. Right here on the driver's doors we've got this panel. Firstly, switch the middle button between left and right side to select side mirror. And now press the arrows on this panel to adjust the side mirror position. Unfortunately, this window is broken and it doesn't adjust, so let's take a look at the right side. And this one works. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.